Hello, good people. Emmanuel Science Safari bring you the Promise Insurance Show. So today I want to go through something profound in this industry in Uganda, that we are now moving digital for especially motor insurance. Of course, we're starting with a third party, and but also we are actually already rolling out, and I'm going to show you a case study of a Britam Insurance package, how they are rolling out even their comprehensive insurance using the digital. But let's listen to, first of all, this headline that came out recently, which says Uganda goes digital, transforming motor insurance through innovation. What's happening? The Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda, IRA, in partnership with Uganda Insurance Association, have launched the pilot phase of the digitized motor third-party MTP insurance sticker initiative. This pilot began on 22nd of July 2025 and will run until 30th of September. Why is this important? This initiative comes at a time when the insurance industry is actively fighting fraud, inefficiency, and counterfeit documentation. How will it change the industry? Strengthen security, reduce counterfeit stickers and fraud, improve efficiency, automates verification, cuts manual errors, and enhances the user experience, allows motorists to access insurance digitally and quickly. Boost compliance, easier for users to purchase and verify valid MTP coverage. Who is involved? IRA and the UIA, licensed insurers, the Uganda Traffic Police, vehicle owners. So this is very key to note. Of course, I start this because recently I had a colleague who passed on in an accident. So this really also caught my mind. But why do you go really driving these expensive cars, and the way people Ugandans drive, someone can ram into you. This is the express highway, and yet people can actually cross from the other side and ram into you. So for all who have lost their lives, may the good Lord rest their souls in peace. Okay, so this is also some flyer. Already right now, we are using digital ways for the last, I think, 2 or 3 years. We have been using digital channels to get your third-party insurance. Yeah, for 2 years now. So for Airtel, you'll use that. You press *185 *7 *6 *1 hash. Then you put in the number plate of your vehicle as one word, and you'll be able to make payment. And then you can go to any petrol station. Those usually outlets for third party. MTN is the same thing, kind of. It also has its own code. So let's go now, drive straight to the point of and feature what Britam is having to offer. So sometime back we talked about travel insurance. Today let's focus on the motor insurance, because they also have now a way of handling it. Yeah, you must be actually, before going there, I have to show you that we have some kind of a manual that helps us to manage. Right now, it is still being managed by your insurance agent. Going forward, we shall also try to improve it to enhance. But of course, because it's still a technical phase, we are still using agents. But going forward in the future, you as the client will have the power to actually onboard. You go on our website, you onboard your information, we do the inspection. Actually, you can actually do the inspection. We can send you a link which can help you do the inspection by yourself. So it's a big document, about 33 pages, but I don't have to go through all that. Everything is digitized. So once you give us your information, once you ask for a quotation, and this is a product that is going to be done in just a matter of minutes, about say 10 minutes. Yeah. So if you have a vehicle, you give us your number plate. Let's say start commercial vehicle usage. It could be family or owned or for business. These days we are taking on vehicles just that are 24 years and younger. So if you have a vehicle of 25 years old, it may not enter our system. Let's say a vehicle worth 2010. If you start it today, where I'm doing the video, let's say it's gonna start on 1st of September. Okay, it will end on 31st of August. Now, The value of the vehicle, you have to give us the value of the vehicle. And by the way, every time your vehicle, let's say a value of say 50 million. Okay, let's start with 30 million. Average cars for starters is usually 30 million. We can use a number plate. Let me say a number plate. I can usually use my own vehicle's number plate. Have you undergone an evaluation? Okay, for now we can say yes, because this system actually will help us do the inspection right away. So if this vehicle has about 5 seaters, we can go to next. And you put in how long you have been driving a car, let's say 10 years. Most of these things are no, these are underwriting questions. You don't have to, we don't, of course, this is underwriting information. You have to give us as much as possible. But for now, for learning sake and to save time, let me just say most of them are no. So right now, it has already computed for me. The premium is going to be 1.46 already. So right now, if I say I have a tracker device, I can actually add some other benefits. A tracker, but you must have an installation certificate. Whatever you mention, if you have an alarm, it also has to have a certificate. So let's say it has a tracking certificate. It will show you that the premium has been discounted by 15%. So if we select that cover, you'll see that this vehicle, okay, I can come here and save it and say I want to quote this policy. So let's see how the quotation looks like. Once we open it up, this is just a matter of minutes. We can see how the quotation will come looking like. So if I've made the quotation on 26th of August, everything will look like this. And we're going to make 2 quotations actually. Because for a 30 million vehicle, you can see the premium is 1.3 million. But the benefits keep on changing. So for third party, we're paying up to 30 million shillings for the person you knock. And for other, if there are many people, we can pay up to 50 million. If you're paying their property, we are paying up to 50 million. Yeah. Authorized repair limits, that is 3 million. So let me just also share something briefly. You can see most of them are capped up to 30 million or within 30 million. But the beauty about this package, what Britam has done is it actually increases your benefits every time your vehicle is more expensive. So let's see a vehicle worth, let's go back and say if you had a vehicle worth 100 million. If we have done a motor private and we have a vehicle on business, let's say a vehicle worth 2023 vehicle. Some of them we can say we're going to start on 1st of September. And let's say this car is worth 100 million. Some of them are there. Let's see, is it very expensive to insure a vehicle of 100 million or not? Let's say we are going to, we've already done the inspection. These vehicles are usually, these number plates now have UA something, then 634, then maybe AB. Yeah. So this is just for illustration's sake. But let's go to how long have you been driving? Such a person would have driven for about 20 years. If we do the same here, for instance, yes, it's going to be mostly domestic. We're going to see that I just want you to take a keen interest in the benefits we offered for a 30 million vehicle vis-a-vis the 100 million. So that is what we'll show. But of course, when we start the premium of course will be slightly higher, 4.7. If he goes and shows us that he has the tracking certificate, usually the alarm we usually don't have, we can select and we see. So remember, let's usually just have to save the number plate and then I make the quotation. So once I make the quotation, I just come and save it as that, and I say, good, I made this in August 2025, and then you see how the quotation looks like. So this is how it looks like, but you have to go down. Okay, you can see the premium has gone to 4.37 million with a discount, but also very important, you can look at the benefits. So whereas the benefits of the 30 million vehicle were just up to 30 million for bodily injury, here it can go up to 150 million. Yeah, for the person you knock. It can go up to 200 million for aggregate, like the many, if you knock very many people. If you knock their property to go to 200 million. If you authorize repair limits, so meaning if you want to repair anything less than 7 million, you can just go to the. So all these are really details. I don't want to go through all this, but what I'm trying to show you is we can actually conclude this whole process in about say 10 minutes if the vehicle is around. So once we have that information, you give us the logbook, we put in the information, we input your information as a client in this section. You so basically, let me just show you like how the manual would look like. After doing all this, we have added the vehicle details, we have added the number plates, the logbooks. You upload everything. We do the inspection. Actually, the stage we are on is here. We can, once you have put in all this, we have uploaded whatever you have given us. We have asked you the national ID, we asked the logbook, we asked the motor inspection report, which will actually be done by the agent or can be done by the client who is far. We can actually do this business or insure your vehicle wherever it is in this country, whether it's in Mbara, whether it's in Karamoja, as so long as you're giving us your information and you know this whole process. So I urge us that, yes, as we're going digital, let us embrace what the regulator is saying, and let us remember and not be victims, And going forward, you're going to be receiving. Once you have made a payment to Britam on mobile money, because most of the payments are done by mobile money, actually by here, once we have reached this level, you proceed to pay. For instance, it has given you the portal, it gives you how much you're supposed to pay and also the benefits. You either pay by mobile money or Airtel money or card. Of course, the card has some costs. You will see that you are paying, and you receive a PRN on your mobile phone, the one you have given us. Once the money goes off, in a short while, we shall be able to retrieve the policy from the system, send it to your email alongside the sticker and everything that is needed. Yeah, so it's a process. We're going digital. Let us embrace digital. I urge you all. I remain Emmanuel Sani Safali, bring you the Promise Insurance Show. Until next time,